We're back, guys.
Actually, let's go and use the other lens for this shot. Is it just like your head? That's it? Just your face? Okay.
Well, a bit of shoulders.
Okay, then we...
I'm going this way.
Go and get the other lens.
You want back up the stairs?
I want to see how you're filming this. Getting the interesting angles. It's not shaking too much.
I don't know if you're being serious or not. What shaking is there? I'm holding it steady.
Someday I wish upon a star. Wake up where the clouds.
That light is super bright.
You're super bright.
Thank you.
Where trouble melts like lemon drops high above the chimney.
Brandon texted me. It was like on my way. 10 minutes later, on my way for real. Actually, it said on my way for relax, but I'm pretty sure he meant for real.
What's love got to do with it? What's love but a cluster of emotion? Hey, how cannons is you have to turn them the other way. Okay, let's go.
Okay, so I'm gonna go from the door and turn around with my face and be like...
Oh, so you're gonna be... Okay. Do we want to be... Yeah, because you're an intimidating fellow. Let's look up at you.
No, because then that gives me a position of power.
Exactly.
I don't want a position of power.
Why? And stop being so tall. Oh, wrong switch. Oh yeah, we don't need it to be that steady, so whatever, we'll do this. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me.
Colin, would you like to explain what you're doing?
I don't know, but you're in the reflection.
What reflection?
In the window.
Oh.
I can see you.
What about now?
Oh, but I can see that car driving.
Do you think it's Brandon?
Yeah. Line up those verts. Line up those verts.
Should we wait for Brandon?
No. Yes, we really should, because he'll walk in. Wait,
Okay.
still a little sideways.
Yeah.